Hey, it's Daryl Johnson coming back at you with the Fathers for Family Fatherhood program at the Corner Health. And we are doing our series, I Am Dad. Today we're going to be talking about masculinity and fatherhood. Have you ever put together a model airplane? The idea was that if you followed the instructions, your model should look just like the picture on the box. I don't know if you ever tried to put one together. Mine didn't always come out looking like the picture on the box. Whether it was because pieces were missing, I didn't quite thoroughly read or follow the instructions, sometimes things came out a little bit different. But learning what it means to be a man and a father works kind of the same way. Men learn from their parents and their culture a model for manhood and fatherhood. This teaches us how we should look and how we should act, how we even walk in those two roles of our life. This model comes with instructions that help men grow into the right kind of man and father. As boys grow into adults, this model becomes a part of who they are. It guides their decisions and actions from that point forward. It guides them in how to treat themselves, whether physically, emotionally, or spiritually, how to treat their children, and how to treat the women and wives and the mothers of their children. Men in all cultures learn some very good things, but unfortunately, we can also pick up some very bad habits along the way. The models of masculinity, how to become a man and a father, are all linked together. A father must be a good man. A good father must be a good man. A man's character is the key ingredient to how a good man and father is made and molded. A man's character is a combination of his emotional, intellectual, spiritual, and moral qualities that make him unique. Morals are the key to character. Like the directions to building a model airplane, our morals give us as fathers a sense of direction by telling us what is right or wrong. It's one thing as we move through this life and we think about the morals and the values that we use to get through life. But as a father, you're building up another human being and another adult, and you gotta ask yourself, what values and morals do you really want to give to your children? Too often as fathers, we're moving so fast, we don't even get the chance to consider these questions, much less make them happen in a way that is really about what we want to see in our children. Generally speaking, children learn more from what fathers do than what they say. In other words, good morals are caught more than taught. If a man has good character and his children sees this, then his children are more likely to become people of good character themselves. A couple of questions this session may bring up. How have I been affected by what my parents and culture taught me about being a man? How is my fatherhood being affected by what I learned about being a father? What did I learn about my character from my father or other father figures in my family? Is that what I want to give to my kids? Because I learned it doesn't mean that that's what I have to continue to give. So I really got to sit back and find time to think about. My parents and my fathers did the best they could with what they had. But now I have a chance to build a different plan. But you got to think about, what is that plan? Which traits in my character have not served me well? Are they serving me well as a father? These are the things that we think about and talk about as we do Fathers for Family programming. We here at the Corner Health are proud to introduce our Fathers for Family programming, building a network of dads who can feel supported, connected, and encouraged and equipped right here in Washtenaw County. Thank you for being a part of our community. Hit the link below. Make sure you connect with us that you can see our upcoming events and our meeting times together. Nothing makes for a better family than a strong dad.